In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could set up the quick access macros on your ROG Ally X. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go ahead and press the Command Center button and then select the Armory Crate option right here to open this up. You're going to see a control mode option up at the very top. Go ahead and just select Configure and choose Gamepad mode right here, and obviously go ahead and select Configure on that as well. It's then going to take you to a page that looks like this. Make sure that you're on the key mapping section, select it, and then you're going to be in the option where you can go ahead and choose whatever button it is that you want to customize. For example, let's just say we want to customize the right bumper for whatever reason. Go ahead and select it is that you want to, edit, and then hit edit on either the primary function or the secondary function, just like so. And you're going to see a gamepad, action, keyboard, number pad, mouse pad, combined keys option. Select really whatever you would like. For example, we're going to go ahead and go to combined keys. You just have to hit the X button to create a new combination, and you'll see something like macro 1 appear. Hit edit, and you can assign up to 5 different keys, which can include keyboard inputs, number pad inputs, other map controls, really whatever you'd like. You don't have to use all 5, 2 or 3 is fine. Whenever you're done though, the macro is going to be auto saved, and you could just back out completely, but I would recommend binding these to one of the M1 or M2 buttons on the back of the device, because the front buttons like A, B, X, Y are usually already pretty important for gameplay, and the back buttons are, often unused, making them perfect for quick access macros. Now, if you ever want to change or edit a macro, just come back to these exact same sections and you could just go to the X button to remove the function. But that is how you could set up quick access macros here on a ROG Ally X. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.